On this episode of Brewing Around the Realm, I'm going to purchase a $13 beer kit from Amazon and see what happens. Welcome back to an all-new episode of Brewing Around the Realm. I am Dave, your amateur brewmaster, and on this episode, I picked up a $13.64 beer kit from Amazon. I brewed that beer kit up. So we're going to get started really quickly here, go through the ingredients. I'm going to unpack the box, show you what was in the beer kit, and take you through the brew day. Let's get started. It's been a couple of days, and our $13 kit has arrived from Amazon, so I'm going to open this up. And you're going to see this the same time I am. I have not opened this yet, so let's get this open and take a look. Alright, it does say right here on the top that it is a all-grain UK Jester single hop experimental unmilled base malt kit. Here's the entire kit laid out. I've got 10 pounds of 2-row, 12 ounces of Crystal 15, corn sugar, and I'm just going to keg this, so I'll just dump this corn sugar in to the boil. Our half an ounce of Magnum, we got a Whirlflock tablet, and 6 ounces of Jester hops. I'm actually quite impressed with that. Here's the whole thing if you want to take a look at it. This is a 5-gallon kit, so pretty interesting. Now, they only gave me extract brewing instructions, so yeah, that's not going to work, but got my yeast starter going. We're ready for that. I'm going to use the Yorkshire Square Ale Yeast. That's WLP037. I think this is going to be an interesting brew day. I've never used Jester hops before. These are 7% alpha acids, and I think those will be interesting. So when we get started, let's get brewing. Let's go over the ingredients real quick. I'm really not sure why they ship that with 12 ounces of pre-crushed Crystal, and then they ship you a 10-pound bag of uncrushed 2-row. Seems a little weird. They obviously know this is going to sit around in an Amazon warehouse for a while, and that uncrushed grains keep longer. So I don't know how long this kit sat around for, but it just seems a little weird. The other issue is that they ship you 6 ounces of hops, but the hops have been sitting around in the warehouse at Amazon. You don't know the temperature. You don't know how warm it was in that warehouse, and it's just weird. That doesn't bode well for the survival of those hops. I've got the beer right here. It is well carbonated and does get a nice foamy head on it, but that's about as far as this goes. Because the hops were sitting around for so long, there's minimal hop aroma, and not a lot of hop flavor in this at all. And in fact, when I first kegged this, I really felt that the hops tasted just flat. They weren't very good. And I tried to correct the problem by dry hopping this in the keg with an ounce of Nugget, an ounce of Sterling, and half an ounce of Magnum. And that worked great for about 3 days. After that, I was back to the flavorless, tasteless beer that looks good, but that's about all it's got going for it. So, in conclusion, I don't think you should buy a $13 beer kit from Amazon. You get what you paid for. Yeah, the hops are not going to be good. The weirdness with the grains is really not acceptable for my standards, and I recommend just going to your local homebrew shop or buying a kit fresh from morebeer.com, and maybe you'll come out with some better results. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you've watched more than a couple of videos, please click that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so you get updated with all of the videos that I share. Remember, till next time, I make all the brewing mistakes so you don't have to.